What's up, guys? It's Renata, and we are here with day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas. Today, I have a really special offer for you if you're interested in making the most of your meal prepping. So many of us start the new year with these great goals around our health and wellness, and one of the ways to help improve your nutrition is meal prepping. But meal prepping can have so many bad connotations. People think you have to meal prep for the entire week. They think you have to spend hours and hours in the kitchen to make all of your meals, and that is simply not the case. That's why I created my video course called 30-Minute Meal Prep. And this is where you'll learn how to make multiple meals in just 30 minutes. Yes, it's true. I do this all the time, and it so helps me to stay on track with my eating so that I can feel really good about my body, my physicality, and honestly just have more energy and vitality for life. So if you're interested in this 30-minute meal prep course, which has amazing reviews, head to the link below and also use the code that I've listed to get 50% off of this course right now today. It is literally going to help change the game when it comes to making sure your nutrition is on point as you start the new year so you can achieve your New Year's resolutions. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow for more of the 12 Days of Christmas.